so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! It's me, Blippi, and look at where we're at. We're at the ocean. Yeah! A marina, to be specific. And you and I are gonna go kayaking. I love kayaking. Hey, check it out. This is the oar of the kayak. See? You hold it like this, and you use it as a paddle. See? Whoa! You know, just like how you swim like this? Yeah, these big paddles go in the water, push the water back, and then you go forward. All right, come on. Look, this is a life jacket. As you know, I love being safe. And this is a piece of safety equipment. All right, gotta loosen it up. All right, buckle it up. Yeah, so then if I fall off the kayak, then this will keep me afloat. So I got my orange life jacket and my orange paddle. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo! I am so excited. Whoa, check out all of these kayaks. Look, see, this one is white with a reddish orange top. Oh, and this one over here has a white bottom and a yellow top. Whoa, and look at this one. Yeah, one of my two favorite colors. A blue kayak. Whoa. A hose with a spray nozzle on it. Whoa. This is how you wash off all the kayaks after they come out of the salt water. Okay, all right, let's grab my oar. Let's put it right here for now, so then I can grab my kayak. This one looks nice. It's the color green. All right. Perfect. Now let me grab my oar. Then I'm gonna sit in. And then once I sit in, I can push off and use the oar, the paddle, to paddle away. All right. Here I go. All right. Hey! What a beautiful day it is out here. Wow, it is so amazing. Hey, maybe I should teach you your left and rights. Have I ever taught you that? I don't think so. All right, let's see. Let's start with left. All right, now I'm pointing left. And now I'm going to go left. Whee! Whoa! Now I'm going right. Whoa! Now I'm going backwards. Whoa! Whoa! Backwards! Now I'm going forward. Yeah, I can go forward in any direction, left or right. Wow, what an amazing day it is out on the water kayaking. I love kayaking because it's a great way to get some exercise and to see some fishies, all while you're on the water. see how I'm moving forward with the kayak? Yeah, I'm using the oar, the paddles. Yeah, I'm pushing myself with my muscles. Yeah, it's not like a car that uses an engine to create power. A kayak is like a boat that uses your muscles to create power. Woohoo! Check this out. This is called clockwise. Yeah, it kind of looks like a clock, huh? Whee! Whoa! Whoa! All right, since that was clockwise, now I'm gonna do counterclockwise. Here we go! Good job! You just learned what clockwise and counterclockwise is. Woohoo! All right, let me pull up the kayak. Oh, there we go. Hey, do you want to learn all the parts of the kayak? All right, let me show you. All right, as you know, this is the paddle. Yep. Whee! This helps you move forward. And then this is the life jacket. You must wear one if you go on the kayak. See? It's the color orange. Okay, and check this out. All right, right here, these slots are where you put your feet, so then you have something to push against. And then this is a little pad, so then if your dog friend or your kitty friend comes along, they have a place to sit. And then right here, this is your seat. See? Whee! And then back here, with the use of these straps, you can tie down your cargo. Oh, you know what I forgot today? My lunch! That's so silly. But what I didn't forget on the beach are some beach toys. Let's play with some beach toys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Check it out. These are my sand toys. I love playing in the sand. Okay, let me get a little comfortable. Whee! Woo! I'm gonna take off my socks. Oh, the sand feels so good in my toes. Whee! All right, let's see. What do we have here? We have a yellow bucket with a green handle up top, so then you can carry it. Ooh, and then a yellow and green shovel and rake. Oh, and then we have a blue seahorse. We have a purple fish. Yeah, we have so many things. Oh, and check this out. This, you put water in the top and watch the wheels spin. Whoa, gravity at its finest. Okay, I'll put that right over there. Okay, and what we're gonna do is build a sand castle. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make a nice platform for the sand castle. I want it nice and firm on the bottom. So then from there, it will be nice and sturdy castle. How does this look? Yeah, that looks really good. Okay. Let's give it a little pat. There we go. If we compact the sand, then it becomes really hard. See, and this sand over here is really soft. Whoa. Whoa, it feels like a cloud. And this feels like a rock. Yeah, clouds, soft. Compacted sand, hard. All right, okay, let's take our bucket and let's scoop some sand in it. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, pack it down, but check this out. This is the secret ingredient. We need to put some water in it. Woo! Woohoo! There we go. All right, if you put water in sand, it makes it a little bit harder. Yeah, check this out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. If you squish the sides, look at that! Whoa! It's like a castle, but for ants. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, how many scoops did I do last time? Yeah, 2 scoops. All right, 1, 2. 2 scoops in this small bucket. All right, then we need some water. Whoa, that's a bit much water. Let's pour some out. There we go. Whoa, all right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Whoa, this is looking really good. Okay, how about, I have an idea. If we take a pine cone, we can decorate it. Put pine cone on top. Here's another pine cone. Whoa! Watch this. If we take this rake and then we go all the way around it, like a square. Yeah, just like that. And we need to scoop out all of this sand and make it nice and deep. I'm gonna make what's called a moat. See? Just like this. Yeah, see that? And then, if you live in the middle of this sandcastle and you're an ant and you don't want any other ants to come bug you, then from there you add water right here all the way around. Well, you just keep filling it up with water and water and water, and then there's water all the way around your sandcastle. Then you can hang out. Yeah. Oh, hey, look at this. We have some more decorating to do. We have some flowers. Oh, I love flowers. They smell so good. All right, well, I should probably get going now. This is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.